What's up, people? My Insta that we get from Kill over here. Yeah, don't judge me. I'm not a professional hairstylist. I'm just a try team. I true me have some toes if I could, Yeah, I'm not some toes if I could, install I know 1500 off style nothing. So yes, I'm gonna so bam spray down the cap palm head. But I have no professional groom use one come to school. So here's the hair, guys, the 14-inch. Let's remember what kind of curl from Kill over here. I'm gonna ask Christ its angle. Yeah, the hair angle. Say so bam, we're gonna spare it with Leostines. We don't know if it'll be here, so we're gonna spare it with Leostines. Yes, Leostines is also from Ebien. Yeah. I'm gonna make cut off the cap off of my headphones. Yeah, me never cut this good. If I lift up or something, or me never wait till the good try or something. I know what going, but me know something going. And me the go on, cut, tie, go on, like me an influencer. So as soon as cancer says the tool glue, your latex glue, I'm telling you say it bun me eye. Me na ask Christ, it bun me eye. So see them never, but I work with the cap, me start use the glue by itself. I never clean up nothing. Don't mind me here, white. Me did that one week before, orient or whatever. So go so bam, put on that. Me put about 3 layer glue before me start funny. But go so boops baps. Phone drop up, me did I watch Timmy Turner. Yeah. Me's a cartoon galley. Me don't watch much cartoons. Yeah, bam. Put on the hair. Put the band over here when me get with the hair, yeah. One, like me influencer, yeah, girl, where your wax stick there? No, ha! Good body I install without wax stick. What is this? But yeah, still, me still there going with myself, I never care. Yeah, they look like a whitish like say no thing, hey, they funny, but me still going with some pops and no me thing. And me didn't want to get scared, but me not scared girly, but me still going. Go so bam look at the mirror and back up my phone for see if alright, we cut the lace. We cut the lace like we are sitting there. Bam. The lace never did a cut good. But it don't cut good. So what me did have to do? Me did have to just go and try a thing and me did have to stop the video and make a next video and it's time. So see the bam, me did a try a thing, but it don't try make edge so me make a style and bam. See the one a girl edge not do good, but the ear still anger. This is my first time installing here like to something with me that likes, so tell me how did I do in the comment section.